Let's get this motherfucker out today. But I can't go higher. And obviously there's no more freaking room to pull. I'm after some thought real quick. We gotta just lower the car down because I have it on jack stands. Oh shit, and I forgot to drain the tranny. The small little details. But I'm just gonna lower the car, which would be effectively the same thing as jacking the lift thing up. The hoist, I guess, lift thing, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, there's spark plugs growing out of my ground. What? Alright. Back to this thing over here. I got the trans pulled off the engine. Fingers on the clutch are pretty wore down. You can see here, pretty severe step. You can see it there, focus. My sleeve's not too horrible, not wore really at all. My pivot pin on the other hand is pretty well effed. My forks a little wore. Pivot point's not too bad on the fork. So probably wouldn't help if to get a new fork, and the springs wore out all the way. A new fork, huh? The tranny springs nice and good. Yeah. Oh yeah, and my throw bearing was pretty bad. Let's see if I can get. Yeah. Pretty wore. He's making all kinds of racket too when I start the car cold in the mornings. So I got my clutch off. It's not horrible for the amount of burnouts that I did with this car. There's a couple hot spots, but starting to slip. You can see a little bit. That's the friction disc on the clutch side. It's about wore out there. Flywheel side wasn't too bad. I dropped it right there, sorry fellas. And lady gents if you're watching. But flywheel side still had some life to it. So pretty much what I'm thinking about doing with the car now is get a clutch for it, you know, new throwout bearing, whatever. Probably gonna do a light and flywheel. I need to do the oil pan, and I need to do valve cover gaskets, and then I need to do what else? Put the offset rack bushings in the other car. I need to buy a new temp sensor, and maybe that's probably gonna be it. So that's gonna be it for the Mustang teardown video. Thank you if you watch this. Maybe comment, like, subscribe, do whatever the hell you want to do.